Hi, welcome to ModernFanGirl.com. Today we're going to talk about the Modern Fan Pro Industry ceiling fans and which color you can get them in. First, we got a 52-inch polished glass Modern Fan Pro Industry ceiling fans. This is available at www.modernfanco.com. Get the 52-inch rubber bronze Modern Fan Co. Industry ceiling fan. Get the 52-inch brushed nickel Modern Fan Co. Industry ceiling fan. Get the 42-inch brushed nickel Modern Fan Co. Industry ceiling fan. Get the 52-inch green finish Modern Fan Co. Industry ceiling fan. And here are the ceiling fans with light kits. Don't forget to visit www.modernfanco.com. Goodbye.